Hey guys, welcome to another episode of RedWolf TV. I'm Tim and today in Hong Kong we are at the Sports Expo, and PTS have made their way here just to introduce the rest of Hong Kong that airsoft is actually a sport, which is really courageous of them, and I commend them for that.
Go!
They're actually here to do a bit of selling stuff as well. As you can see here, they got a few glasses.
Personally, I prefer these ones a bit better than the Aegis.
Yeah.
Because when you're shooting and you're looking down the rifle, you don't have this bar across the top in front of your view, so you have a clear view from the top to bottom.
Okay, yeah, totally understand that. Alright, here we have Alex and Jeff here. They're all part of PTS. Please explain what you do in PTS and why you are here at the expo.
Hey Tim, so my responsibility at PTS is essentially business development. At this particular trade show, Jeff and I were working together to try and present not only PTS but also DAS, which is Dynamic Action Sport.
How about you, Jeff?
My role at PTS, I'm the military law enforcement training application manager. Here at the trade show, my primary role here is showcasing DAS, Dynamic Action Sport.
And I can't wait for those training sessions, and I'm sure loads of people will be really excited to see what we have to offer.
Yeah, we're basically, the great thing about training sessions is we're not telling you what you have to do. We're just really trying to give you some other, understanding more tools for the toolbox is what we might say. And you can see if it works for you. If it works for you, great. And if not, we'll try and work with you to figure out what will work better for you.
Okay, great. Right, thanks a lot.
No worries, Tim.
Right, cheers, man.
Thanks a lot.
Right. The closest to RedWolf I can actually find. A wolf. I mean, if that's considered a sport, airsoft is definitely a sport, right?